You own an industrial company? Okay.
Yeah. And it's going pretty all right. If you have looked in the world, it's going pretty all right. But the last six or so months, incredibly stressful. I think I aged 10 years in the last 6 months. And I'm struggling a little bit, like, how can I make most efficient use of my time? All the other things, like, it's a little bit on hold right now because I need to clear the backlog. I don't know if you understand. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and yeah, I'm just yeah. I know how to make money. Like, I'm not making like 100K or something, but like a lot above like 10K a month. It's all right. And yeah, I don't know how like I can balance all the things I need to do in my life with the
Delegation, man.
24 with
So,
with the 24 hours in a day. Yeah.
so I mean, I can already tell that you're highly stressed. An industrial company, that sounds like a lot of boots on the ground kind of work. Do you have
Yeah.
managers, team leaders? Like,
I'm doing a lot of things myself because last year I lost one of my like floor manager or shop manager, and like I'm finding myself standing on a machine for some time. That's like crazy. That's not shit I should be doing. I'm sorry, I can do that, but it's just no, I shouldn't be doing that. I should be like talking to customers and like doing controlling, like management stuff, and not like doing actual work. As arrogant as that might sound, but
it's not
at
arrogant. It's not arrogant. It's
at
not.
some point when you have like a business and you scale it, and I have like a very old economy business, and it has been a couple of years. I'm not doing this like 3 days. It's like
I
it's
get
going
you.
off
No,
for
listen. I totally understand
yeah,
everything that's going on. You hear me? I totally
yeah,
understand. I feel your pain. I was in a situation before in my life. I get you. But when you lose somebody that's pivotal to your business, you got to try to replace them as fast as possible. Being the CEO of a company and you can't delegate, you start to work in the company, not on the company. And when you're
yeah.
working inside the company, it becomes impossible for you to scale. It's not selfish to be trying to delegate because you're the person solely responsible for making this shit work.
Yeah, I like to think I'm quite good at delegating, but I'm just in the situation that I need to clear out the backlog that's there before I can focus on uh, like hiring some new people. And one other thing I'd like to ask you, I have like for a long time I've asked myself, okay, how can I use social media to like use it for marketing for the business? Because I don't know if you know, but in our space, very many people are like on Instagram in this machining industrial manufacturing space,
Mm-hmm.
and like I'm as old as you. I remember the times when you didn't have like a lot of subscribers on like YouTube. You videos, they don't get any views. No one watches your videos. They have like 50 views, and if you do that for like 5 years and upload every day, maybe you get some subscribers. Nowadays, that's different. I did like, I don't know, a week ago, I did like a 30-second short that I just uploaded to Instagram, and boom, 200K views. I have like 150 followers on Instagram. So
So what was the video about? What did you talk about?
yeah, it's in German. It's quite niche. It's about like, oh yeah, this is very precise. It's like 13 seconds long, and I just tell people, oh yeah, I have higher standards than other people. That's just about it. And it's not that this thing sucks just because your thing sucks. This method doesn't suck just because yeah, you suck.
Yeah,
I don't like that.
yeah. I like that mentality. Send me the video. Let me watch it. Let me send it to me in the chat. Can you pull it up?
I can. Is this in the people chat, or
The
how
private
do
chat.
I?
Private chat.
What's the private chat?
The one where you can send it backstage.
I'm people comments and recording
If you
live.
see if you see where you say chat,
Yeah.
Did you see something that says where you can put the private chat, backstage, chat
with everyone in the studio?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I can see that. So I just write my Instagram handle.
Yeah. He said, this method doesn't suck, you suck. That's my type of person right there. We're gonna get along.
Yeah, it's quite niche, you know. It's like, first of all, it's in German, and everybody on the internet, like, even if you're German or some Romania or something like that, all the people are making videos in English because everybody is just connected, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just random stuff I did while working, you know.
Let me look it up. Give me a second. Let me look at it. Let me.
Sure, no problem.
Do you see what I gotta tell you guys about people who are real entrepreneurs? All the entrepreneurs look stressed out, busy. They don't got time to do stupid shit. I'm telling y'all, man. You know, your life becomes very, very different when you become a real entrepreneur. You don't got time to be looking at doing. You don't have time to be an idiot. I can't find this Instagram. It doesn't pop up.
That's all right. But like, that just showed me a really, really important lesson. If you don't get views nowadays, your content just sucks. That's like the message I got from that.
Hey man, buddy, no. I believe it. I believe it.
Really. Like, what other conclusion can you get from that? I have like, I'm doing nothing on my YouTube. I'm doing nothing on my Instagram. It's just my personal account, and I post pictures of birds for like 10 years or something. Mm-hmm. And you do one video, it like got like 160K on Instagram and 50K on YouTube, and I had like 6 subscribers on YouTube before. Mm-hmm. So those platforms, they really seem to be very desperate for people making content. People watch that stuff all day, and we just need every bit of content that we can get. That's just my opinion. I don't know.
Yeah, so you got to take that you got to use that as an advantage to see how you can scale your business and make it easier for you, right, to grow your business. So now that you see, hey, I can get on my phone, say some words, and 200,000 people can see it. That's very powerful.
That's fucking crazy. That's fucking crazy to me. I stole like 6 days of people's time with a 13-second video. That's just mind-blowing to me. And to me, I'm not really into social media. Never really have been. I just, you know, I got other stuff to do, but I know it's very powerful. And for the longest time, I thought to myself, well, how can I use that without like spending 10 years and 10,000 hours learning how to be good at that? Where's some other stuff where I did that successfully, mm-hmm. but I don't really see myself doing that. I like from a, I don't know, investment value perspective, I don't have time for like 10 years and 10,000 hours to put into that, like to make it successful. And I really think I got a hint of an idea now how this shit works, you know, so what people like to watch and so on. Yeah. So I think that's a very powerful tool. I really, really believe it's a really powerful tool now. I don't know if you can relate, but
I do. I'm telling everybody. I'm trying to tell everybody the same thing.
People can tell you all sorts of stuff, and you can say, "Oh yeah, that makes sense." And then one second, like a switch is flip, and you really understand what we actually meant when mm-hmm. you said, "Oh yeah, that makes sense." I don't know if you can. If you can.
I get what you're saying. I agree, man. That's why
you can rationalize it, but yeah. It's a whole different story if you like first-hand experience what happens.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, my recommendation to you is, if you want to scale your business, you need to use social media the right way, right? Don't just use it to piss people off. Use that same power, right, to see how you can target people and target information that scales your brand. All right. So I think you have something to work on there. You have a business. You can use some help. If you would like some help with social media, right?
Yeah. I think I would like some help. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna post the link for you in the chat. I'm helping men now scale their business using social media. I'm gonna post the link for you in the chat. Book a free call. Let's see if we can help you take this business to the next level, man. All right. All right, man.
Thank you.